What's up everyone and welcome to my page. I'm Ashleen and thanks for clicking into this video. Alright, so I want to do a short intro today and get right into the video. So today's video is about making a mood tracker. So I've had a mood tracker since the beginning of the year and it's really valuable information, I would say. I have a mood tracker because I like to see how I'm feeling every day and see if I can figure out or distinguish any patterns throughout my weeks or throughout my months, so that maybe if a certain pattern comes up for a certain time of the month, then I know to expect it. So you can make mood trackers for the week, for the month, for the year, whatever you'd like. I've made a mood tracker specifically for the year, and I will show you step by step how to make one. And for mood trackers, it's really important to be filling them out one time throughout your day, whether it be the morning time, the night time, at the end of your day, whatever it may be, because if you're more consistent with it, then you will be able to see more patterns in your mood. And with this valuable information of tracking your mood, you can see what kind of things maybe spark a certain mood, or how you can change a certain mood or change circumstances in your life. Right, so let's get into how to make a mood tracker.
Okay, so making this mood tracker is quite simple. You can just do it in your journal or just on a simple sheet of paper that you have maybe on your bedside table that you can go to every day to fill it out. So what I'm going to do is just put the first letter of each month going forward, starting from May, going horizontally at the top, and then vertically what I'm going to do is put each day of the month. So it will create little boxes for each day of the month that you can fill in with what kind of mood you're feeling that day, or how you're feeling that day, all that kind of stuff. And I think it has been something that's been very beneficial to me because I can see what kind of patterns develop in certain times of the month, or in certain months or something like that, and it's really beneficial to know what to expect or how you can change certain situations or circumstances to change your mood. So yeah, at the bottom you can just cross off the days that aren't applicable if there isn't a 31st in the month, and then you can put a key together, labeling the mood. So a happy face can be for when you're feeling happy, a frown for when you're feeling angry, a teardrop when you're feeling sad, and I just did like a spiral for when I'm feeling annoyed. And yeah, it's quite simple and straightforward. So if you do this consistently, definitely you will see patterns, and it's just a great way to track how you're feeling. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below. I want to know your thoughts, and take care of yourselves. All right, bye.